The water bottle hugger. It safely hugs your water bottle to keep it out of the way. Are you tired of seeing water bottles everywhere? Of cleaning up water spills? Of broken water bottles needing to be replaced? My problem was that in my classroom, we have water bottles everywhere, and they're constantly being knocked over. And when they fall to the ground, they either break open or the water spills out, and then we're having to clean up this big mess. I looked into buying water bottle holders, but the problem is that they mostly only sell them for these 3-inch legs that fit around chairs or desks with smaller legs. And this area where the water bottle goes really isn't large enough for the type of water bottles that we have. My desks are like these oddly shaped triangular desks, and so their legs are 7 inches around, and then we have these 32-ounce bottles that are probably about the same diameter, around 7 inches. I mean, circumference is about 7 inches around. So I created the water bottle hugger. It is a ribbed water bottle holder that expands as depending on the size of the water bottle, and it has an adjustable clamp that doesn't slide up and down. It stays in one place and it can be adjusted to the size that you need. Here it has been put on the leg of one of the chairs that we have, and it didn't slide up and down, and because it's adjustable, it fit this. This is the way that it works. You slide your water bottle in there. There's a base to hold it up, and then the ribs hold it in. We filled up this water bottle with water, and it was strong enough to hold the water bottle in place. And here's the side view. So it's pretty strong. It holds it in there, and it didn't slide down. So that was a good thing. So I hope you find my water bottle holder to your needs if you have desks that look like mine.